what it looks like with a puppy who already knows what wait means. Good girl, Rosie. Good girl. So Rosie knows a really valuable cue, which is I don't even have to say anything. For her, anytime I open a door and go out of it, that means wait. So Rosie has an automatic wait. Doesn't matter if I'm talking, if I'm waiting, moving my arms, I'm going over here. She's not going to come out until I invite her to do so. And when I'm ready, okay. Good girl, Rosie. You're such a good girl. Good job. Ready? Let's go back in. What a good girl. So I'm moving out of sight here, I'm moving around. So we practice these in all very easy short sips. Okay, yay, good girl, Rosie. You're such a good girl. I know, where's your little treat? Here it is. Good girl. All right. Come in. Mama. Rosie. Good. Good girl, Rosie.